This guide will walk you through the steps needed to create, edit, and navigate documents in Doc Studio. Click on the Doc Studio tab to open the Doc Studio. Enter the title of document in selected field. Then click on Create Doc button. Click here to edit document name. Doc Studio provides a wide range of tools and features to help you create, edit, format and manage your doc. Click here to add layout template to your doc. Select a layout template from here. Or you can hide templates by clicking Cross button. Click here to download document. Click Download PDF button to download document. Or you can send PDF link by email. And copy the PDF link from here to share. You can use listed AIs by clicking here. Click here to save the document. Click here for blank or new document. Click here to go back to the list of documents. Choose Yes to save or No to discard the changes. You can share invite link to others by clicking here. You can send link direct on email or you can copy invite link by clicking Copy Link button. Click here to view document. Click here to download document. And click here to delete document from Doc Studio list. Choose either Yes for delete or No to discard. This guide covered the steps required to how to use Doc Studio.